Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to recover Gmail account without phone number and recovery email. First of all, open up the Gmail app if you're having issues signing in or restoring your Gmail account. Then just simply click to open up the web browser. Now search here google.com. After opening the Google browser, search here Gmail Recovery. Then click to open the account support site. After opening the account support, enter your email and click Next. Now you can create a whole new password for your Gmail account without any phone number or recovery email. Enter the new password and click to change passwords. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.